Just curious out there who's watching my channel. Is it homeowners, DIYers, or is it actual HVAC techs? Just curious. Leave it in the comment section below. Shout me off where you're at. Alright, getting ready to go on another after hours no heat. This is an existing customer. I think she has a Luxaire furnace that was put in maybe 12 to 15 years ago. I just replaced an igniter on a Luxaire furnace, and now it's I'm grabbing an inducer motor just in case. 'Cause I got parts for Luxaires and Yorks. I think this is the one that I need. And let me make sure I have another igniter, which I do not. Usually keep two of them. I think this is one. I think. Nope, that's not it. Well, yep, I'm gonna go see if I can hunt down another igniter, one of these source ones, and we'll see what we can find. So I found a used igniter that has 99 ohms. This is to get me out of a jam until I can order one. That's if I have to replace it, so I have it.
The furnace was working last night.
Yeah?
And I replaced the batteries on the thermostat, thinking maybe do something like that.
Okay, well, let's see what's going on with it.
I don't know.
Thermostat's over here, is it?
Yes. And I did put a filter in it, like I think it was the beginning of January.
Okay. Let's see. Heat. Okay.
Cat. You know where it's at, right?
Yep, I sure do.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. I smell something warm, which I'm thinking it's the Draft Inducer. Yep, it's hot right there. Oh yeah, it's seized. She's hot. Yep, she is hot. She's smoking hot. So, good thing I grabbed one. I just assume with these, especially this has been in here for, well, I installed this furnace 2011. So it's been in there for a minute. So I will go up and give her the news and give her an estimate, and we'll go from there. Alright, got the authorization. I'm gonna grab this, and then she'll have heat. Just like that. Pretty common that these go out. Don't have an explanation for it. The old ones had covers on them which kept this from cooling off, even though this thing's smoking hot. I'm almost wondering if something's inside. We'll find out. Gotta take these pressure switches off. This off. I'm really surprised that this is still intact and not leaking. Say I replaced this. Yeah, I replaced this back in 17. Draft Inducer replacement, 2017. Well, these parts usually only come with a year labor or year replacement. I always warranty them personally for 2 years, just so kind of gives the customer a peace of mind knowing that their stuff's covered. But you know, we're way past 3 years on that. Okay. Yeah, she's just hot. That thing's hot, really hot. Yeah, it's a pretty cool idea that JCI had. You can see that, but they tend to leak. Like I said, I'm surprised this thing's not leaking. You can see all the settlement down there. It's pretty cool. Those are your turbulators, and then those should have been turned down, but it's been working fine. Got to be careful and not to give this thing the onions, because you can strip the thing out. So just curious out there who's watching my channel. Is it homeowners, DIYers, or is it actual HVAC techs? Just curious. Leave it in the comment section below. And shout me off where you're at. Where are you watching this from? Curious. Too bad. So I'm going to put him back. Oh, where did my... I got stuck. Put him back there. You know what I should have done? I should have cleaned that flame sensor while I was here. Had this off. I'm gonna do that. just because these things are a pain in the arse to clean. So, get my right angled out. Oh, come on. I gotta get a shorter bit. Get up there. Yeah, these. Oh yeah, I'm glad I did that. Look how dirty that is. Let's see if I can find. No, I don't have any more. I got these Franklin. Use some Franklin to clean the flame sensor. I need to get some more steel wool. There. Put him back up there. Yeah, I should have pulled this out when I had this completely off, but I just remembered about that. Otherwise, it could be back here. There's that. Okay, let's put him back. Put this back in here. Maybe. Yeah, it's been a minute since I've been to this customer's house. They typically just call me when there's an issue. That. Put them back there, tighten that up. That's through. This one will go up here. Alright, so that way it keeps everything out of the path of this. Here's that. Before I fire this up, I'm going to check ohms on this igniter. Not cool. Okay, I'm going to test the ohms on this one. We should be below 100. Ooh, that's gonna be going out. I'm gonna let her know about that, but I might have to order one. Yeah, 113. That's gonna be going out on her, so we'll let her know. Okay. All right. Here it is. Here's your hot surface igniter. There's flames. Here you go. If you got any value out of this content, smash that thumbs up button and we'll see you on the next one.